Great goals for the coming year for reading and writing. Why is this training important? Students in our school work hard every day to be the best students they can be. We as educators have a lot to do with that. We help them to read, write, work out math problems, and teach them how to problem solve social situations and to become strong, independent students. All of our students are here due to some type of behavioral issue that has brought them to us. Intertwined in some of those children are learning disabilities. Some of our students are behind in reading, and some need help in the area of writing. In saying this, a lot of our focus has been on reading and writing and the strategies that these students need to become better at these two important curriculum areas. According to Lerner 1993, among the population of students with learning disabilities, an estimated 80% have reading disabilities. In our building, we also have the students who have had such issues with behaviors in school that they are behind in reading as well, even without having a disability. To better help our struggling students, I have come up with 3 goals that will help these students to reach their full potential. These are goals that we as educators will work together on, and they will be built into the daily schedule so as to not take up any extra time on your part. Goal 1. Students who are working below grade level will increase their reading level by at least 2 grade levels by the end of the year. We have seen in our building that this is possible. Students need to know that even though they may be behind, that we are there to help them get ahead. We will do this by running guided reading groups daily using the Fontes and Pinnell system. Students will be tested at the beginning of the year to see what level they are at and will be grouped accordingly. This will take place during one of your rotation blocks during ELA. Teachers will use the texts that go along with each lesson and also complete a word work activity for each session. Planning for this will take place during planning time. Goal 2. Teachers will meet monthly to share students' writing and create rubrics to score writing. These meetings will take place during PLC time so as not to add something additional to your load. Since teachers meet weekly anyway, this should not be a big concern. In our building, we have seen how working together takes the load off of each other, and working together and using the same rubrics will keep things consistent. We all need the support, and it will help to see what other students throughout the building are producing for work. Sharing the students' writing also gives teachers the opportunity to share what they have been doing to maybe better help with students who are struggling in the area of writing. We have seen how our students are struggling with writing, and meeting and sharing ideas will help to get the students to where they need to be. Goal 3. Teachers will incorporate strategies for students to be able to be successful in reading and writing. As educators, we need to try to help our students any way we can. We need to motivate them and try different things to increase their level of independence. In saying this, there are some things that should be tried in class with our students. Some of the types of things that could be tried are word sorts, pre-teaching vocabulary, using the student's background knowledge on a given topic, and scaffolding are just a few. There may be other things that you guys come up with that you feel that are useful in the classroom, and those are acceptable as well. I advise you, or I suggest that you possibly share those with other teachers as they could be able to use them as well. We all know that all students do not learn the same way. The benefit of using strategies is that there could be one strategy that works for one student that doesn't work for another. But when we use multiple strategies in the classroom, the students will have a better chance of being involved and excited about learning. We all know that due to the type of students that we have, their self-confidence, their self-esteem, and their excitement for learning at times could be down. So we, just need to try different things and see if we can reach them in different ways. We also have students that have experienced many different things and have a lot of knowledge on topics that could be helpful in the areas of reading and writing. We have students who come from other countries, come from other schools, other states, They could have learned things that we don't even know anything about, and they could be sharing them in class. It also helps them when they can use their background knowledge or topic knowledge or subject knowledge. It helps them to feel like they're more involved and to feel like they're grasping the material. According to Gambrill, 1999, how quickly one grasps information presented in a text depends largely on one's prior knowledge of the content. Why not use this to the student's advantage? Who does what and why? We all do it. We all will work as a team. Teachers will implement the reading sessions with help from the literacy specialist. The strategies will be used by teachers with the students in the class. Any concerns going back to the literacy specialist. The sharing of writing and creating rubrics will be done as a team. This will all be done with one ultimate goal in mind: helping our students to be the best students they can be.